So my daughter TT calls me and she's smacking her lips enjoying something that seems so tasty and delicious. So I ask her, what are you eating? And she says, I'm eating fried Korean cauliflower and it's so good. So of course the light bulbs go off in my head because I love a challenge in the kitchen. So join me today as I set out to perfect this recipe for fried Korean cauliflower. It's gonna be yum, y'all. Let's make something yum, y'all. Let's gather all the ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine cornstarch, baking powder, the ice water, flour, and if you're using it, the vodka. Whisk it until it's smooth. It should be almost like the consistency of paint. Now's the time to prepare your oil. Fill your wok, pot, or deep fry pan with about 1 inch of oil. Place it on medium heat. Now prepare your pan for after you're frying. Gather some paper towels, and I find that the best tool to use is the spider. Set it aside and wait for your pan to heat up. Once your oil is hot, you're going to take a handful of cauliflower, place it inside of the batter, and use a fork to evenly coat it. Then I use the fork to place it on the spider. I like to use this tool because it's easy for drainage. You can drain some of the batter off. Then place into your hot oil and fry until your pieces are golden brown. Use your spider to separate some of the pieces just in case they get clumped together. Once they're golden, use your spider to remove it to the paper towels. Then repeat the process. It's best to fry in batches. After all the pieces have been fried, gather all of your ingredients for the sauce. In a cup or small bowl, combine the water and the cornstarch until it's fully dissolved. In a medium pot, stir in your garlic cloves, your soy sauce, your mirin, your brown sugar, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right, your gochujang. I don't know. I know my Chinese accent isn't right, but just follow along. Place all of those ingredients into a pot, take your whisk, put it over medium heat, and stir, stir, stir. Bring your sauce to a simmer, then add in your slurry. That's that cornstarch and water mixture you previously made. Stir repeatedly with your whisk until it becomes a syrupy-like consistency. Then remove from the heat. Now take your fried cauliflower and place it in a large bowl. Then add your sauce in. I like to do this in layers so we can more evenly coat the cauliflower. Then take 2 spoons or 2 spatulas and lightly toss as to evenly coat each cauliflower piece. Be careful, don't break it up. And prepare to serve immediately. I start by placing all the cauliflower on a plate. Then we top it with some sesame seeds and some sliced scallions. Say that 5 times fast. Woo. And of course, the dish can't be finished without a pretty garnish. And there you have it, y'all. Fried Korean cauliflower. TT was right. This is yum, y'all.